Alright, so this is my second year on this Craftsman torpedo heater. It's not blowing as hot this year. This is the first time firing it up, and it's not blowing as hot. I was looking inside. And if you can see on the side of where the propane comes out, it looks like it's kind of clogged. It's got something sticking out of it. And I've wiped it off, and it did wipe off. So I'm going to pop that centerpiece off and clean those ports or jets out real good. See if that fixes the problem. Alright, so I'm going to take that centerpiece out. And make sure you do this when this is cold. Don't do it if it's hot and you've been running it. Alright, on the back, you'll have to remove this fan to hold the nut on the back to take that off. There's 3 screws to hold the fan on. Alright, in order for me to get the fan off, like I said, there's 3 screws. Hold the fan in place, but I had to open the electrical up, take a zip tie off to give me enough wire to pull this fan up, because you have a nut on the back of that pipe you have to hold to take the front off. Alright, I got the tip off. Like I said, you have these little holes all the way around. Looking straight down at it before, you could see debris sticking out. I'm going to clean these out. Approach just a piece of wire. You don't want to make these holes any bigger. You want to make sure you don't use anything abrasive on it. I believe it tells the size of the hole, which is 0.86 on this one. So I'm just going to clean these out real good, blow some air through it, and then put it back together. And see, hopefully it makes it burn hot like it's supposed to. Because right now it's just not high, it's not burning hot. Alright, you can see it very well on camera. I haven't cleaned any of those out. You can see it's not really a round hole on some of these. I've cleaned these out right here. But you kind of see a difference in that size and that size. It's a little bit smaller. There's some debris built up on it. So I'm just getting a little wire and just kind of rubbing around and knocking anything off. You could probably do this without taking it out. You just can't remember to see what you're doing, but you can probably do it without taking it out. So. Okay, that made a big difference. Before, with it on full high, it was about like that. I could keep my hand out a lot close, about that close to it on high earlier comfortably. Now even on low, right there, being closer, it starts burning. So cleaning those ports did make a big difference. So if you're having problems with your torpedo heater not heating as much as it should, make sure you clean those ports off. Like I said, you probably just stick your hand in there with the wire, get like a wire brush, pull a bristle out, and clean out those orifices. Anyway, hope that helps you. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.